Hey guys, welcome to Makeup Masterclass, where we show you how to get the latest makeup trends. And today it's all about glam eyes, where I'm going to show you not one but 3 looks ranging from subtle to full drama. So for the first look, which is the Peach Crush, I'm going to be using just 2 products, which are 2 lipsticks actually. So the first one is by Faces. It is their All Time Pro Matte Lipstick in the shade 08. And the next one is this Deborah Super Gloss in the shade 05. So first of all, I'm going to start by applying this Deborah Gloss all over my lids with the wand which it comes with. And you just like apply it. Then you might want to go in with your finger and like just smoothen it a little. Yes, I think we're good. So when you're done applying the lipstick all over your lids, literally, we're gonna go to the next step, which is to apply this red matte lipstick and take a little bit of that and just test it once on your palm, how the line is coming. Yeah, it's pretty neat. So you have to be very careful. So one eye is done. I'm gonna go to the other one. Yes, I'm pretty happy with the wings, and yeah, looks good. So we're gonna apply mascara only on the upper eyelashes, not the lower eyelash line. We're done. Okay, so the next look that we're going to create is the Glamour Brown look. So I'm going to be using this Jaclyn Hill palette by Morphe to create this sultry look, and of course our Maybelline mascara and our eyelash curler. It's a pretty simple look to create, but it's very impactful. So I'm going to go in with the lightest of this sort of nude shade, and I'm going to apply it all over my lids. So just like that, with a very light hand. Okay, so when you're done applying it all over your lids, you might want to apply a little on the lower lash line also, so that you have a clear canvas to work on. I'm going to go in with a slightly darker shade to create that nice crease. Put it on your lids also a little bit, because we're going to be applying the shimmer on top of it, so it's going to give it a nice base. Okay, so I'm done applying the darker shade on the crease and a little bit on the center of the lids. Now I'm going to go into the exciting part, which is to apply the shimmer eyeshadow. So I'm going to use this one. It's a champagne color, like shiny eyeshadow, and I'm going to apply it on the inner side of my eyelids. So now that we're done applying the lighter shade on the inner corners of your eyelids, I'm going to go in with the darker brown eyeshadow, because it's a brown look. So I'm going to take this one here and the darker one. I'm going to mix these 2 up, dust the extra. So yeah, we're good to go. Like, our upper lids are done. So now I'm going to take a thinner brush and apply the same 2 darker shades on the lower lash line. Yeah, and we're done with the eyeshadow. So now I'm going to go in and curl my lashes, of course. Yep. Maybelline mascara. And you're going to put some on your lower lash line also. Yes, and we're done. I'm really happy with this look. It looks so glamorous, yet so easy to create. So yeah, this is it. Okay, so the third look that we're gonna create is called the blue currant. So I'm gonna start with applying a lighter shade of blue all over my lids. So I'm gonna go for this one right here. So take some in your brush and just go. So now once you're done applying it on your upper lids, you wanna go in with a clean brush and just smoothen out the edges. Just go like this with a very light hand. Yep, very nice. So now I'm gonna take the exact same color, the light blue, and apply it on the lower lash line. So once you're done applying it to the lower lash line, I'm gonna go in again with the clean brush and just smoothen it out. So this one is a very dramatic look. So now that we're done applying the lighter color, I'm gonna take the same brush, the one we used to apply the blue, to apply a slightly darker shade of blue to the center of the lids. So I think I'm gonna go in with this one here. Yep, now you can see some dimension and like that color play happening. So now I'm gonna take the same darker shade of blue and apply it on the outer corner of the lower lash line. Yeah, pretty happy with that. And now the only step left is to apply mascara and we're done. Now I'm gonna go in with the Maybelline mascara, and you have to put loads of mascara for this look. Yep, now we're gonna put some on the lower lashes also. Pretty happy with that. This is a very daring look, I would say, and you think that it looks good on you, then go for it because I love it. Like, this is so me. So yeah, we're done. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Tune in next week for another episode of Masterclass and let us know what you would like to see next week. And don't forget to check out the POPxo shop. We've got some really cool merchandise like fanny packs, backpacks, scented candles, and a lot more. So just click on the link in the description box and go shop now. And for more skincare and makeup tips, keep watching POPxo Daily.